Our next question has something to do with history of film in the Philippines. Ayan. So, dito naman tayo sa pelikulang Pilipino. Okay, sige. The question goes this way: who started the Malaya Company initially, which is initially launched the movie Dalagang Bukid in 1917? Ako, parang hindi pa tayo wala pa yung mga lolo nyo dito. And later earned the title Father of Philippine Movies. Ayan. Sa Tagalog, sino ang ama ng pelikulang Pilipino? Ayan. Is it A, George Moser, B, Vicente Salumbides, C, Ramon Monroy, or D, Jose Nepomuceno? Ang tamang sagot po dito ay walang iba kundi si Jose Nepomuceno. At ang pinakaunang pelikulang Pilipino, ayan, sige, ay ang tinatawag nating Dalagang Bukid. Okay, sige. Na pinagbibidahan, of course, ni Marceliano Ilagan and Atang de la Rama. And later on, we have, especially sa mga Kaed group, no, we have reviewed that Atang de la Rama is the queen of Kundiman, and as well, she is the queen of Zarzuela. So dalawa ang kanyang title. Ano? Siya ang reyna ng Kundiman at siya rin ang reyna ng Zarzuela. Let's also talk about the different choices. No? Ayan. Si Vicente Salumbides is a Filipino director and actor, and he is best known for his direction and adaptation of Ibong Adarna and Florante at Laura. Okay, sige. So there was a remake of film, no? It was done by Vicente Salumbides, no? At ito nga ang title nito ay Ibong Adarna at Florante at Laura. While the other choice, which is Ramon Monroy, is a Filipino director. Ayan, known as For Himala ng Birhen ng 1947, Pista sa Nayon ng 1948, and Aladdin in 1946. And we have also George Moser, which was born in 1965. Mukhang medyo tagilid itong choice na ito. Walang kinalaman sa pelikulang Pilipino because he is actually a contributing editor for Scientific American magazine in New York. Okay, sige. Anyway, so let's proceed there. So during yung ating tanong ngayon ay may kinalaman sa the golden age of Philippine cinema, ano, ayan. So bago pa nagkaroon ng GMA, ng ABS-CBN, ang kanyang mga predecessor ay mga kumpanya na tinatawag na Sampaguita Pictures, which was a Philippine film production company founded in 1937. Ayan. It was named, of course, after the national flower, no? Which is Sampaguita. Okay, so it was not already functioning, but the remnants of the Sampaguita Pictures still in the compounds of Quezon City. And then eventually, we have also the LBN Pictures, no, na in 2005 ay binili ni ABS-CBN, ano, ayan, para maging parang archival company niya para ma-restore yung mga historical films. LBN Picture was a film studio that was considered one of the biggest in the history of Philippine cinema and its foremost establishment in motion picture post-production until 2005. Okay, see.